Hi everyone, Karl here. I hope everyone is well and looking after themselves. In this video I will be cutting details for some dovetail joints on a box shelf I'm building. Since I've started to build more terrain, I realized I need a lot more storage space, so I took this as an opportunity to practice some joinery. There isn't going to be a lot of narration here since this is a practice piece for me, and I'm the last person who should be giving advice on making dovetail joints. I'm just leaving this video here in case anyone spots any horrendous mistake I'm making and lets me know about it. Give or take, cutting details and fitting them took me about 1.5 hours, not counting layout time. And that's the joint assembled. There is a little wobble here, but that's only because it is standing on the end. The joints are designed to work best when the box is on its side, and it's rock solid there, even without any glue. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any tips about cutting dovetails, do let me know. In the meantime, stay safe and have a great day.